Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Today we're talking about this M240i. No, it's not ours. Very similar spec. No Remus on this one as yet. They are still incoming. That'll be in another vlog coming soon. Customer came in for springs, spacers, genuine M performance part that we had coated in the detailing bay. And then while he was here, he was talking about wheels. Now we currently have the M-W1 on our M240i, which is a sort of lattice style cross-spoke design, which works very well. It's quite BMW M, and I was very tempted to sell him those wheels. But then he saw these. These literally just landed. These are our 20-inch M-W1, so it's a 9.5 rear and an 8.5 front. We now have stock. So the M-W1 was initially for the first year just in 19-inch on the 135i's, Golfs and that sort of stuff. Very popular wheel. 20-inch was always going to be the year later, and we've had a couple of sets turn up. This customer saw them, fell in love, had to have them. So we've got the wheels coated, along with the body kit, had them all fitted up, and it just looks incredible. This wheel on this car looks perfect, and I will be changing them out. When we get another car later down the line, which will be future vlogs, we will be putting our M-W3s onto that car, so we'll have all show cars with show wheels on. But for now, I'll let Jay do a bit of B-roll on this car. It will be back in for an exhaust and potentially an air filter as well, but their future vlogs coming across. Let's go and have a quick look at the Fiat that's in the detailing bay. So this week in the detailing bay, we had a brand new delivery dropped off from Fiat 695 Abarth in this grey. I'm not sure the colour, unfortunately, so please don't hate onto it, but looks amazing with the white decals, white wheels, the sport pack seats, adjustable rear spoiler, just a real complete little car. The customer has not seen this car, so he's coming in on this weekend to come and collect it, and of course we'll try and bully him politely into changing some things over. You could do with a little drop, maybe a set of spacers, but fundamentally, what a wicked car at the box, and it's nice to see something different coming in rather than just BMWs, although we have a couple of Porsches in the detailing bay coming in future vlogs, so of course we'll add them as well. Let us know what you think of the 695 Abarth. So the last part of this vlog will be this brand spanking new, just been delivered to the customer and driven here, 300-mile Mark 8 GTI. Seen one of our videos before, standard exhaust versus the Remus revving, had to have it. So this is in for OPF back system, our black tailpipes, Maxton rear diffusers, give the back end a bit more aggression, and the Eibach kit. Now on the 19-inch wheels on a Golf Mark 8, they are slightly lower than a car with 18-inch. You have to fit the Eibach Sportline kit, which actually dropped the car about another 15 mil all the way around, and we're going to put 12 mil space just to make the car a bit more aggressive. So perfect OEM plus upgrades. Let us know what you think of the Mark 8 GTI before and obviously some revs afterwards, and make sure you please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.